If you're here from Instagram, you've probably already seen a lot of the food that I cook on my feed, on Reels, as well as some of the behind the scenes on my IG stories. I thought it'd be fun to start this series on things I've cooked in a week to show you guys a little bit more of the cooking that I do at home. Oftentimes, these dishes are going to be pretty fast and easy to whip up, slightly healthier, and usually still Asian inspired. I'm hungry now! And usually to feed my sister. Christy! Food! I really hope you guys like this video. I had so much fun putting it together. And without further ado, let's get cooking. We're going to use this to make some lob tonight. For dinner, I'm having turkey lob that I made using the awesome lob starter. That's probably one of my favorite starters from them. That one and the yuzu miso yaki are probably my top two. It's so good. I'm having it with some brown rice that has a little bit of black sticky rice mixed in, some steamed squash, and green beans. I already know it's gonna be so good. Air fried up some tofu to use in our shirataki noodle stir fry tonight. It's honestly insane to me that these noodles are 10 calories. So for lunch, I'm thinking of doing something a little bit healthy, kind of riffing off like what I would put on congee, but doing oats instead. I'm gonna do some kimchi, some bok choy, a soft-boiled egg, and maybe some like the leftover air-fried tofu from last night. Okay, I'm trying it at a new tripod and I don't think it's working. I already kind of have neck pain from crouching like. For dinner tonight, I am making these crispy rice paper dumplings that Lisa from Okonomi Kitchen, I first saw her make it on TikTok and it really went viral and like I feel like everyone's been making it since. It's basically just like whatever filling you want rolled into 2 rice paper sheets and then you hand fry it to get a crispy skin. I'm going to do one version with just like the normal rice paper, and then I also want to try doing one version where you have a layer of seaweed and a layer of rice paper. I found 2 semi-sad carrots in my fridge. Dry shiitakes just have this amazing umami flavor to them. It's so rich. And on them a lot, especially when I'm making vegetarian food, and it needs a little extra oomph. And I think they're gonna be so good in these dumplings. Just cover it with some water. this is a rice saver you need. They're super durable, they don't rip, and they have this great, cute chew texture to it. Maybe run a knife against a break. I think I like the seaweed one better. I just got home from the farmer's market. For dinner, I'm gonna do like a clay pot tofu. I was actually going to use dry shiitake and dried wood ear, but since I got these fresh ones, I'm gonna use some of these. One of the downsides of using fresh shiitake is that I won't have that liquid gold dry shiitake soaking water to use in the braising liquid. But if you remember, I saved the one from yesterday, and so now we have some of it that I can use. Hopefully it's gonna be good. This meat is so good. I'm so happy with my dinner. I'm so happy with my dinner. Does this look bad to you, or is it just like overly cold? Honestly, just feeling really tired and don't really want to cook. Probably because I started my period today. I don't know if anyone else like tends to feel this way the first day of their period, but I ate a lot of chocolate to make up for it. So I'm just gonna do a simple, I think like sandwich burger situation using some stuff I picked up from Trader Joe's the other day. I've been meaning to try these cauliflower thins. I heard great things about them. And let's see what's in them. The ingredients are just shredded cauliflower, whole eggs, grated Parmesan, and yeast. Oh, that's a lot simpler than I thought. And then I also picked up these shrimp burgers. Well, they say shrimp seafood burgers, which means I feel like there's like 10% shrimp in them. Shrimp, pollock, sunflower oil, rice flour, salt, garlic powder, spices. Burger is honestly a little small. I might need to eat two. No, cauliflower thing, don't break. So I like the cauliflower thin. It doesn't really taste like cauliflower. They do break and fall apart though. Like it also could be that my burger was too wet and there was too many things on it that just had a lot of moisture that didn't help. So maybe on a sandwich it'd be really good. The burger is, so like, it's a lot of fish, which is not bad, I like fish. I do wish that it was more like shrimp forward than it actually is. The This is a good combination though. I did good. I think this is a little stagger. Are you okay? Spicy? These are good. I like them. Cheers. Do you want milk? Do you want to eat an avocado? I'm so sorry. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, cheers. Dinner tonight is actually super reminiscent of something my mom would make for dinner. In Chinese culture, there's this expression, or rather, in Shanghainese, there's this expression called shirataki, which means 3 vegetables in 1 soup, or 3 dishes in 1 soup. So we have a stir-fried bok choy, marinated bean curd with Taiwanese cauliflower, or flowering cauliflower, miso soup, and salmon. And then brown rice that was left over from lunch today. I'm just really bad with chopsticks, man. I don't know what you want from me. So cute! For dinner, I made japchae, which is a Korean noodle dish. I did onions, shiitake, spinach, and carrots. And the noodles themselves are sweet potato starch noodles or glass noodles. And this is like one of my favorite dishes whenever we would go to Korean places as a kid. So I did one version with the sweet potato starch noodles, and then I did a different version with shirataki noodle. I've never actually made this using shirataki noodles before, so hopefully it tastes good. That actually works so well. I thought it would work, but this is like even better than I thought it would be. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to hit the like and subscribe below for more videos like this.